Imagine yourself being frequently bombarded by questions by family, friends, and even strangers about, do you eat chicken? Do you drink milk? Do you eat fish? What about eggs? Why are you just eating vegetable instead of the delicious tendering meat? These are questions that I hear often, and I must admit that sometimes I do get tired of answering them. First of all, hello, namaste, and Jai Johar to everyone. The short answer of all these questions is I am a vegetarian because I care. I care about preventing the suffering of innocent creatures. I care about preventing world hunger. I care about the air we breathe in and the water that flows in river on streams. And I also do care about my own health. I truly honestly believe that the most important thing is I as an individual can do for any one of these things, that I care about this to only consume vegetarian food. I am a vegetarian since I was born into this humble world due to my family and religion matter. Therefore, I have not tired of any other means of foods other than vegetables. Well, I have to face the fact that I am vegetarian. As time passed by, I soon realized that the health benefits of vegetarian are massive. Based on my research, I have learned that majority of audience are not me to turn their meat diet into vegetarian diet. But when the audience encounter any major sickness, they will automatically insist of changing into vegetarian diet. However, this is not the major concern that I wanted people to conceal. Personally, wanted people to understand the true benefits of vegetarian in long term. Instead of using vegetarian as a scapegoat will having illness, for that reason today my speech is to pursue you to change your diet into vegetarian diet. The three benefits of a vegetarian are healthy, endurance, avoid toxic food contaminants. By eating animals products such as meat and eggs, both of these foods are the main dietary sources of cholesterol and the head sources of saturated fat, which is the main causes of heart disease. By not consuming this, it will dramatically reduce the risk of heart attack of by 90%. The fiber is vegetarian diets remove unnecessary cholesterol and other cancer-causing agents. A 1990 study verified by Dr. William Castell from University Hospital in Linköping, Sweden, the vegetarian overall 20% less prone to die from heart attack than meat eaters. With a low-fat vegetarian diet combined with exercise, it does help to reduce blood pressure and control or remove diabetes. Having vegetarian diet can also benefit asthmatic patient. According to 1985-year-long study which is conducted by the University Hospital in Linköping, Sweden, over 90% of asthma patients had less severe and frequently attacks while having a vegetarian diet, and it can also reduce their need of medication. Over 20 years of research at Loma Linda University in California shows that men who eat meat are prone to be there 3 times more to suffer from prostate cancer than vegetarians, according to a study made by Dr. Takeshi Hirayama of the National Cancer Research Institute of Tokyo. Vegetarianism reduces the risk of breast cancer in women by 35%. Animal products are basically high in fat and always lack of fiber. This is why vegetarians avoid animals' fat. The eating which will be like to cancer, and vegetables are rich with fiber and vitamins that helps prevent cancer, according to University of Hawaii. On average, vegetarians are at about twice as much fiber as the meat eaters. Thus, vegetarians are expected to suffer much less from constipation than meat eaters. Almost everyone in this world needs more energy. However, few people make the association between exhaustion and eating meat. Majority of people mistakenly believe that eating meat is crucial that will lead to good strength and health. In fact, eating meat is significantly reduce a person's energy and contribute towards generally poor health. Based in scientific studies, it shows that a vegetarian diet will improve in a person's endurance and energy. Dr. Yale Professor Elaine Fisher and conducted a test by comparing the stamina and strength of meat-eating athletes to vegetarian athletes. And inactive vegetarians, the result of the test are the meat eaters had far less endurance than even to the inactive vegetarians. Another research found out the athlete who changed their diet to vegetarian gradually improved their endurance about 3 times as much as those who ate meat. A vegetarian diet is a perfect source of nutrients for the human body. Basically, a common vegetarian diet is based on vegetable, fruit and whole grains, which are low in fat, a good source of fiber, and rich in vitamins and minerals, which will enhance our body energy. To main factor of a balanced vegetarian diet is carbohydrates, which are the perfect foundation of maximum endurance and energy. Majority of people does not realize that meat products contain poison and toxins. For example, there was a bacteria outbreak traced back to a Michigan meat processing plant that killed 9 people and 60 other people were sick. Millions of people became sick after eating eating meat that is contaminated throughout the year. There are few contaminants I would like to share, which is mad cow disease. This disease is caused by cow cannibalism. This is usually done by the feeding dead diseased animal parts to other animals from the same species. It will cause memory loss, loss of body control and lasting death. Secondly, parasites, which are available throughout 85% of all pig related products. Even in many species of carnivorous and omnivorous, parasites is a kind of worm that lives in a human digestive system, such as tapeworms that are contracted from eating meat. These parasites stay attached in the intestine by stealing nutrients from out-digested food, thus causing malnutrition. Meat products contain the most sources of pesticides in a human diet. Almost 95 to 99% of toxic chemical residues in the American diet comes from meat, fish, dairy products and eggs. Pesticide contains numerous kinds of toxin and that can cause cancer, birth defects, abortions and even death. In a nutshell, please eat vegetable and be healthy. The evidence of overwhelming eating meat is bad for our health, environment and everyone. On the contrary, vegetarian diet is delicious and nutritious, which is the perfect source of energy for the human body. By choosing a vegetarian diet, you can have a perfect, healthy and the happiness of living at peace with your family, friends and the little ones of the animal kingdom. Thank you. Myself Divyanshi Sharma. I am from Raipur.